how to download and install MetaTrader 5 on Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. In order to install MT5, if you open up your Play Store and on the search bar, if you search for MetaTrader 5, you can simply install it from here by tapping on this install button. And once it is installed, you can simply set up MetaTrader 5 in your Android device. But if in case you couldn't find the MetaTrader 5 in Play Store, then what you can do is open up your Google in your device and on the search URL type in MetaTrader 5. Now tap on this first link that says metatrader5.com. That is the official website for MetaTrader. Now since you cannot download it on Google Play, now you have to download the MetaTrader 5 APK. So tap on MetaTrader 5 APK now, then tap on download anyway. After that, your MetaTrader 5 will get downloaded in your device and simply install it and open it, and then you can set up MetaTrader 5 in your Android device. So that's how you can download and install MetaTrader 5 on Android, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.